Hello everyone and welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how can we set up the Claude Code for the development. I will show you one by one how can we use in the terminal, how can we use in the VS Code, and how can we open our project inside the Claude Code. So I don't want to waste your time, so let's get started. So this is the official documentation of the Claude Code. For the installation in the terminal, we need to install first the Node.js. So this is the terminal command. You can see this is the terminal command to install the Claude Code in your system. For that, we need to install first the Node.js. Just search in the Google Node.js download, and then you can open this official documentation of the Node.js. The first, you can select your version of the Node.js, whatever you want. The current version is 25. You can use the 23 or 24 as you wish. And after that, select your operating system. If you want to install in the macOS, Linux, and Windows, so I'm using the macOS, I will select the macOS, and then you can select the NVM. I will suggest you to use the NVM because so if you want to change your Node.js to 22 or 23 with the NVM, it's very easy to change the version of the Node.js. So you can use the brew and whatever you want. So I'm using the NVM, and you can use the npm yarn. It's your wish. Just use the npm. And after that, first you are going to install the NVM. Just copy this command and go to your terminal. Let me open my terminal. So this is my terminal, you can see. So I already installed the NVM, but I will show you how can we install the NVM also. So just paste this command. You need to press enter. After the installation of the NVM, you need to copy the path. So this is the path link. Just copy, and after that you need to paste it in this. After the installation of the NVM, you need to check is NVM installed or not. So for that, just type the NVM, just type version like this and press it. Now you can see my NVM version is 39.7, and after this we are going to install the Node.js. Just come here and just copy this command and just paste it. So you need to press enter and it will install the Node.js. And after this you need to come here again, and this is the check your node module. Just copy and check. We already installed the Node.js 22 version, and after that you can check your npm also. Let's check the npm, and the npm, you can see our nvm is installed, Node.js installed, and the npm also installed. So you need to install first these three, and after that you can install the Claude Code. So now I'm going to show you how can we install the Claude Code. So for that, just go to there, and first we are going to install Claude Code in the terminal. Just copy this and paste it. Just wait for the installation part. So now we can see the installation part is start. So after the installation of this, you need to copy this command, and you need to copy this command and paste it in here like this. After this, you need to close this terminal and again open a new terminal like this. So just search the Cloud version. So now we can see we just installed the Claude Code in our system. So now I'm going to show you how can we install the Claude Code in a VS Code. So for that, just open your VS Code. This is my VS Code. I already opened the project in VS Code, and just come to the extension. Just come to the extension and just search about the Claude Code. So you can see the first one. You need to download the first one. Just click on this and just press and add trust. Just click on the trust and publish and install. So now it will take us some time to install the Claude Code in your VS Code. So now we can see the Claude Code is installed in VS Code, and we get the icon of the Claude Code also. And here you can see this is the Claude Code, and also this one is also the Claude Code. So I will show you how can we open the project in the Claude Code. Everything I will be show you, but first I'm going to show you how can we download the Claude Code app also. So let's go to the Claude Code. This is my Claude Code. You need to we need the desktop app. Just click on this. First we download in the terminal, and then we install in the VS Code. And after that, I'm going to show you how can we install the app in our system. Just click on this button. So now we are going to download the Claude Code for the system. So I'm going to show you how can we add the Claude Code in our extension also. So for that, just come here and just click on the setting button. This is the setting, and also you need to click on the extension, and just search about the extension like this is the extension, and just search the cloud code. So the first one, this is the Cloud Code extension also. So you can also add the extension of the Cloud Code in your Chrome also. Just click on the add. So now click on add again. So so now we can see we just add the Cloud Code also. You can see add the Cloud Code extension also. And let me show you, this is our app. Let me install the app first for you, and just click on this. And for the installation, you need to paste it in application, and let's see. So it's installed. Let me close this and just open your Cloud Code. Let's see, let's open your Cloud Code. So this is our Cloud Code, you can see. Let me open this. So you need to click on the accept part. So now you can see we have done the installation part of the Cloud Code. Now I'm going to show you how can we log in the VS Code. So for that, just come to the VS Code. So this is my VS Code, and just click on the Cloud Code AI subscription like this and open. It will be open direct this page for you, and just click on the authorize. So it will be, so like this we can log in the Cloud Code and VS Code. And also how can we log in the terminal? So for that, just come here and just type the cloud like this. Just type the cloud and just press the login. For the login in the terminal, it gives you a three option: Cloud Code account with a subscription, Pro, Max, Team, or Enterprise owner. The second one is the Anthropic console account, and the third party platform. So you need to, so if you have a Cloud Code subscription account, you need to just click on the first one like this. So I don't have a subscription account, so for that reason it's showing me to upgrade to the Pro Max. So now I don't have a subscription of the Cloud Code, so I will buy the subscription. In the next video, I'm going to show you how can we use the Cloud Code and how can we open the project of the React Native, and we are going to set up the architecture of the React Native app also. So see you in next video. For now, bye bye.